Hello, it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. Today is June the 8th, Monday, 2026. I'm going to make some breakfast burritos today for my breakfast for the next 5 days. So all I need is 5 burritos. So let me show you the ingredients I have chosen. Because my ingredients for most things depend on what I have available to me. So I've got a package of flour tortillas. They're the large burrito size. I need 5 of those, and there is 8 in this package. I've got 5 eggs in this carton, and these were the 99-cent eggs from Quick Star. So I will need 5 eggs. I've got a portion of red pepper here, so I'm going to use a part of that, not all of it, but some of it. And I've got some aged white cheddar cheese. This is from Aldi. And the burritos, the tortillas are from Aldi as well. So I'm going to use some of that. And I have a can of sliced potatoes from Aldi. And I'm going to cook those up. And so it'll be potatoes, egg, and cheese burritos for my breakfast for the next 5 days. Okay, I've got some butter in the pan. I drained and rinsed the potatoes and put them on some paper towel to help absorb some of the moisture, because they are canned potatoes. The melted butter should make them taste really good. I really don't care if they're crispy necessarily. I just want to get some color on them. Get the heat turned up. And I'm just going to chop them in the pan. My breakfast burritos do not have to be pretty. I don't care about that. They are for sustenance, fairly reasonable in cost. Now, when you do fry the canned potatoes, you may get a little bit of splatter, but that's all right. You'll be fine. Okay. I'm going to add the chopped red peppers. I just chopped up just part of that red pepper. If the topping bothers you, put a lid on it. Now, I'm just going to let them set and kind of get some color on them. I'm not going to mess with them right now. I've got it turned on about medium for the heat. Let's add some salt, and we're going to add some pepper. Okay, that's pretty nice. So let's add the eggs. These are just those 5 eggs beaten, and I add a little bit of water to them. And I did put a little bit of salt and pepper to them as well. Turn that heat up just a little bit. If you don't use canned potatoes, there's a lot of ways you can use them. They do come in handy. And they taste very good. Now we're just going to let these eggs set up. All right, let's give these a nice little stir. I like to let the eggs set up a little bit before I do anything to them. That just makes them more substantial, and just a good way. Just the way I like to do it. I'm going to put the cheese on top. Actually, I'm going to turn off the heat. I'm going to put the cheese on top. I don't think I need all of the cheese that I shredded. I don't think. Oh well, okay, let's go for it. Let's get a little wild and crazy. All right. Now, I'm going to pop a lid on this and just let that melt down. And I'm going to take it off the heat. I'll just move it to the other burner. Okay, that's what it looks like. That looks good enough to eat right now. You know what? That would be a great breakfast for Sunday or whenever. It looks delicious. Okay, I'm going to let this set a little bit with the lid off, not too long, and then I will fill my tortillas. Okay, I'm going to show you how I fill them, and I'm just going to do this one for demonstration purposes, and this one is going to be my breakfast this morning. If you can see that. Makes it easier when you have the large tortillas. Okay. There we go. That's my tortilla, nicely filled. This is my breakfast burrito for this morning, and I'm going to finish the other 4 off and show you how I'm going to keep those through the week. Okie dokie. That worked out pretty good. I have 1 burrito made for this morning, and I have 4 for Tuesday through Friday. So these will be really good. All I have to do is just warm them up in the microwave. I put 2 in each bag, and I get these freezer bags from Dollar General, and they're very inexpensive. They're the True Living brand, which is affiliated, well, that is Dollar General actually. So there you go. Okay. So, that's it for me today. I love you guys. You know I do. As always, you know that little is much when God is in it. Okay? All right. I'm going to have a nice piece of fruit with this. And it should be delicious and very, very filling. Okay. I hope this helps. I will talk to you later. Meet me in the comments. Okay? All right. See you later. Love you. Bye-bye.